Hi, this is Raxel, and before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go and prove yourself that you are not a gay bot by subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright? VoltageOS Android 12, and here's the battery usage. YouTube I use for 4.5 hours, 48%, screen on time 44%, 9 hours 15 minutes. Right, Mobile Legends Bang Bang 1 hour 6 minutes 20%, Battlegrounds India 18% in 44 minutes. Right now my battery capacity is 3000 mAh, so my battery is not that good, right? My phone is old, and this gameplay is recorded in VoltageOS with stock kernel. I didn't use any custom kernel, and I was recording this gameplay with the inbuilt screen recorder, and I didn't see any buggy with the inbuilt screen recorder here. It was running very smooth, and the FPS is quite stable here. I didn't see any huge frame drops. Right, anyway, I have turned on the FPS. Just watch the gameplay and you will know how this ROM performs. And this ROM is not so good, not so bad, and this ROM is good for classic matches. Yeah, and enjoy the gameplay. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Peace out.
देखना हमारा है
Enemies ahead.
Saksano kade pushkana skande. Sakani no. Hiram khan.
Watch out.
Sakatam no.
Watch
No, no.
out.
Revive come, revive come. Revive khane ama sakau cho.
Pachin malay khatam slide on
Jai no saksa do. Enemy don't, enemy don't.
Watch out.
Nice, 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 nice.
Excellent work. Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead. Marked a location.
Go.
Watch out.
Go, baby.
Enemies ahead.
Go.
Marked a location.
Nice. Ang thaka ka so.
Help. Enemies ahead.
Gom ho de.
Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Camper.
Chip
Camper.
Excellent work.
nó xịt không
Hmm.
đi ra cái không vào building ai dong to mas bang
Cosa kono ka nga? Shit, grenade kalau mana kap on. Hai, push.
So, hence lanet palatiam.
Abra. Grenade tong na, grenade tong number 4.
dong cha cái nó tao thấy cô với mặt mo nạp nó
Kari pa thiam.
bớt hết
Hai push kan hai.
ibu hay chin up tempo hay up chin up nice mo
All dead.
bana dong an bo pati kita
Ya. Cosa ko. Right side.
ibu
Go.
gaji dah merek gua gaji baru dah mak kita ini
Revive.
ya betul kan tunggu level 6x full ball senang jam
Ako gani last ko ba deh?
pwede ko bus lah nak aquat kan
Taring kiliran ko ini kena.
hay sao chưa thì nó mình ta đây yo